What the hell is that?
He has a jar in his ass and a screwdriver in his penis.
Ew. Dude, what? Is that a needle?
Oh, it's a screwdriver.
Oh, how'd you get it in there in the first place?
Dude, oh, that's a lot of blood.
That is sick.
That's a man period right there.
Oh, shit, son.
Okay, so now shut up. Ew. Does it stop bleeding?
Do you see that white shit come out of his ass?
Yes.
Oh, disgusting. Ew.
That's sick.
Dude, it's not.
Oh.
It didn't stop bleeding.
That's some bad prostate cancer.
Prostate's in your ass, not your penis.
Whatever.
Okay, just quit talking or else you won't be in these. Damn. It looks like the one jar. Is this the guy from One Man, One Jar?
No.
Possibly.
There's something wrong with these people.
Right?
Right, that's gonna be you next.
Dude!
He clearly practiced this.
How do you practice that?